Ever wondered why your homemade iced latte never tastes as good as the ones from your favorite cafe? Most people make one simple mistake that ruins the flavor before they even take a sip. Let's fix that. Fast. The secret? Skip the hot coffee. Pouring hot coffee over ice just waters everything down, leaving you with a weak, disappointing drink. Instead, use cold brew coffee. It's smooth, bold, and stays flavorful over ice. If you don't know how to prepare it, I got you. Check out my video, The Ultimate Cold Brew Coffee Guide. Here's how to make the perfect iced latte at home. No fancy equipment needed. Start with cold brew. Choose your milk, dairy or plant-based, but make sure it's fresh and cold. Mix. Use 1 part cold brew to 4 or 5 parts milk over ice. Adjust to your taste. For a stronger coffee flavor, try 1 part cold brew to 3 parts milk. Upgrade. Want to get creative? Add a dash of vanilla, cinnamon, or your favorite syrup. That's it. No frothing, no guesswork, just a velvety iced latte every time. Curious how to use up leftover pineapple in a way you've never tried before? Check out my next video. Transform leftover pineapple into refreshing herbal tea. You won't believe how easy it is.